Hello dear learners, this video is on chapter 3, A Day with Nandu from Looking Around textbook in EVS for class 4. This is video 1. Here we will observe and identify life of Nandu, some facts on elephants and know about the animals that live in herds. So let's first read the life of Nandu. Nandu wakes up. You can see the little Nandu who is getting up from his sleep. Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. He was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunks. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Usually, we know that the trunk of the trees are brown in color, like the ones which you can see on the right hand side of the screen. But what did Nandu see? He saw that the trunks were big and grey. That means they were not the tree trunks, but they were the legs and the trunk of the elephant. So Nandu saw this. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. Finally, he saw his mother. Very happy. Nandu was very happy seeing his mother. The sun was hot. It was a hot day. Nanima trumpeted. Nanima is the oldest in the herd. She started moving towards the jungle. Oldest in the herd means her age is the maximum. She is elder than other elephants in the herd. So she started moving towards the jungle. The other female elephants saw her and started to follow her. As Nanima is the oldest, the other elephants, they felt that Nanima was the leader of the herd and they followed her. Nandu also went with them. Now here, what's the meaning of the word trumpeted? It means the sound made by an elephant. And we have got a word herd. What does this mean? Herd means a large group of animals. As you can see in the picture, this particular picture which you are seeing will be called the herd of elephants. The picture which you are seeing on the screen is the herd of elephants. Like this, many animals live in herds, which we'll be discussing further. Let us read about Nandu now. When they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreading out. So the herd had many elephants. All the elephants started going in different directions. Why? Each member went to eat her favorite leaves or twigs. What are twigs? Twigs are the small sticks, the tender sticks of the trees or the plants. After eating, the herd moved towards the river. Need to drink water. The baby elephants enjoyed playing in the water. The little ones in the herd, they started playing in the water. You can see it in the picture how they are enjoying the cool water. And what did the elders do? The mothers lay down in the water and just relaxed. You can see the other elder grown-up elephants, they are just relaxing in the water. And it's the favorite game or the favorite sport. It helps them to keep their body very cool. Nandu saw his brothers and sisters pulling each other's tail. He quietly went and stood near his mother. All his cousins, his brothers and sisters are quite naughty. So Nandu went and stood near his mother. Oh no, I don't want to fight. But what did Amma do? Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water. Nandu loved to play in the water. Just as he reached water, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Someone threw a fountain of water on him and he got completely wet. Whose work is this? Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousin. He must have filled water in the trunk and poured it on Nandu. Nandu joined them in the game. Nandu also started playing with his brothers and sisters and his cousins. Before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. So you can see Nanima is moving in front. Nandu is there. Nandu's mother is also there. And after the whole days of eating and bathing and playing in the water, the herd is returning back to the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. He settled himself between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. So that is the beautiful story of Nandu. Let us know something more about these elephants. So some facts I've collected, some are there in your books and some I've collected from the internet. Let us just read them. An adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves. Sometimes it is 200 kgs also, and twigs and soft sticks, and can drink 160 liters of water in one day. Naturally, a very big animal. It is the biggest land animal, and so it needs to eat lots of food and also drink lots of water. Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants love to play in mud and water. The mud keeps their skin very cool. Mud pack, yes. Elephants have big ears like fans, isn't it? And it works also like a fan. They flap these ears, and then they flap. They keep their body and themselves very cool. Let's continue. An elephant herd has mainly females and baby elephants. No male elephants are there. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. Here also in the story we saw Nandu's Nanima was the oldest and she was the leader of the herd. How did we come to know that she is the leader of the herd? Because all the other elephants followed her to the jungle, and also during the sunset they followed back to their own place. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and all the little ones, the young ones. Okay, male elephants. Now what about the male elephants? The male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 or 15 years old. Okay, till the age of 14 and 15 years, these male elephants also stay in the same herd because they are the young ones. But after that, they leave the herd and they roam around in the jungle either alone or they make a herd of the male elephants and they live. The average lifespan, how many years can an elephant live? The average lifespan of an elephant is 50 to 70 years. It is said that the oldest elephant was of age 86 years and the elephant died at the age of 86 years. That was the oldest elephant. Some more facts about elephants. Asian elephants are slightly smaller than African elephants. So you can see the Asian elephants are found in the continent of Asia, mostly in India, and the African elephants are found in the continent of Africa. The maps are also given below. Now what is the difference? A slight glimpse of it. The African elephant and this is the Asian elephant. You can see the size of both the elephants and you can also see the body structure, the texture of the skin, everything. But here are a few differences for you. The ears of the African elephant is very big. It's said that it is like the shape of the country of the continent of Africa. But the ears, you can see the ears of the African elephant, it's said that it's very large, no doubt in it, and has the Africa shaped ear. Whereas the Asian elephant, they have got small rounded ear. The trunk, the tip of the trunk here has got 2 fingers but for grasping, but the Asian elephant has only got 1 finger. Let us look at the head. This is a single dome, no curve here, but the Asian elephant has got twin domes. Tall, the height and the weight of the African elephant is more than the Asian elephant. That is the major difference between the 2 elephants, that is the African elephant and the Asian elephant. Now the next point, the African elephant has the largest brain in the animal kingdom. Yes, it's a very huge animal and the brain can weigh to around 5 kgs. Elephants are extremely intelligent animals and they have excellent memories. And elephant feet are covered in a soft padding that helps to support their weight. Such a huge animal, but the feet of the elephant is very, very soft, which helps it to carry its body weight. Let us see and learn something about its trunk. Very impressive multi-tool. That means it can do lots of work like smelling, breathing, trumpeting, no doubt. Also to grab things. It can pick up a blade of grass and also rip the branches of a tree. The trunk is also like a huge straw where the elephants can fill up water to nearly 14 liters and then blow this water into their mouth to drink or also to spray on themselves when they are bathing. So you can see the uses here. The elephant is using its trunk. Activity time. Nandu is only 3 months old. Find out your weight and please write this answer. My weight is dash kgs. Okay, so the next question is, children, can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? Now, we are not going to school, we are in lockdown. So let us do one thing, we will change and add up any family members. Okay, can you find out the weight of how many family members will add up to Nandu's weight? If your father is 60 kgs and your mother is also 52 kgs and you are 20 kgs. So how many family members you add up can weigh to Nandu? And what is Nandu's weight? 200 kgs. Please do this activity, very interesting one. Next one is fun and games. If you were Nandu and you lived in a herd, in a group, what kind of things would you do? Yeah, living in a group is fun and working is also fun. So I have given my answer here. You can also think upon some points and add upon to this answer. If I were Nandu, I would like to go here and there, play with my friends, play in water, dance, run, enjoy and eat the whole day. At night, I'd like to listen to music and sleep with my parents. Now the next question is also very interesting. In the elephant herd, the oldest female elephant decides everything, like Nandu's Nanima decided here in this story, isn't it? Who takes decision that in your family? Either your parents, your father in particular, or your mother in particular, or if you have got grandparents, maybe your grandfather or your grandmother. So please write this answer. In my family, most of the decisions are taken by my parents together, is I have given. It might change according to your family and you can change the answer. Make a collage of a herd of elephants. I have given you some samples here. This first one is made by the newspaper cuttings, Nandu and his mother. Okay, and the next one is, this is made of the gift wraps. The gift wraps which you get, it is made out of that. Okay, and you can also try this. Something like this you can try. This is handprint. So you can, your hands, your father, mother and yours, you can take free, print them on a paper. In step 2, you can draw simple branches. You can color them or you can paste papers also as you wish. You can draw the eyes and the ear on the trunk, like it is shown. And then finally, give a touch of some colors and your activity or your collage is done. This is called handprint activity. You can try this also, it's very interesting. Nandu did things that he liked to do. If you could spend a whole day with your friends, what would you like to do? We saw that Nandu went out with his herd and then ate so many things. He played in the water with his cousins and brothers and sisters and came back home. What would you do if you are with your friends? I have given my answer here. If I could spend a whole day with my friends, then I would like to watch cartoons or go for a picnic. And if you go for a picnic, naturally you play, sing, dance, eat, tell and listen to stories. Yes, listen to lots of music and have lots and lots of loads of fun. So what would you do if you have a whole day with your friends? Please write. Find out and write which other animals live in herds. Yes, there are a few animals like the deer, the zebra, the buffaloes, the goat, sheep, lions, wolves, llama, cows and many more. They live in herds. I have given you some pictures of the deer, the lion, the giraffe, the zebra. This is the buffaloes, the sheep. Thank you, children. In video 2, we shall discuss how animals are useful and let us develop sensitivity towards these animals. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, children.